Go.
Introducing to the quarterfinals, we have a McLaren F1 taking on a sprint car. Yep. Okay. Here we go. Time trial laps. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 2.43. 2.43. Okay, next car. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. 2.18. I repeat to you, the McLaren F1 that got a score of 2.43, and the sprint car got a record of 2.18. Okay.
This is our lineup, folks.
Okay, here we go. Next up, we got a random sports car. It does not say a name on the bottom. And this is the Lamborghini Centurion. Here we go. Score of 2.56. Now let's random sports car. Okay, so the sports car got a score of 2.31, and the Lamborghini got a score of 2.56.
Ugh.
These two are now losers. Okay, now, next up, we got the cool Hot Wheels money car, and we got Ford Mach-E. Start up the track. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Cut. Money car. Interesting results. The money car got 2.51, and the Mach-E got 2.49, making it the winner. Next up, we got Bone Shaker taking on Aston Martin V8 Advantage. Here we go. Firing up. 3, 2, 1, go. Bone Shaker. With a score of 2.09, Bone Shaker wins against the Aston Martin Advantage, which got a score of 2.49. Next up, we got a Corvette C7 taking on a drag car. Forgot to time it. Okay.
Restart.
So with a score of 1.73, the Corvette C7 wins. And this guy got 2.39. Here we go. Okay, we got the Porsche 911 Carrera taking on, I think is, a Formula E car. Here we go. We'll restart. Give us 2 attempts. Okay. This thing's garbage. And we got a Porsche. Okay, we got 1 more attempt. Obviously, this one is the winner because it got a score of 2.56. I'm gonna put this guy down over here. Next up, we got a Pagani Hydra taking on a Ford Mustang. Here we go. Okay, with a score of 2.74, Pagani Hydra loses, and Ford Mustang got 2.58, which won. Okay. And last one of the quarterfinals, we got an Aventador versus a Jesco. Okay, here we go. What?
What are these?
Those are for the finals.
Oh.
For the 5 or more losing bracket lap. Anyway. First up, let's go.
It just walked in front of the camera.
And then Aventador. And the winner is the Jesco at 2.28 and 2.68 for that.